And it's actually kind of cute, so that's just why I wanted to make a video of this because it's so cute. So we're going to start by opening this. Okay, how do I open? Oh, we start opening that bit. Definitely gonna be kind of short because all you just have to do is get this straight. And then I can completely see the toy right now. I can completely feel it. Like it's so cute. It's so cute. And now I'll just open the packet. Didn't need to start. There we go. Now I just need the packet out loud. Now I just need to get that. We'll keep it over there. And there we go. Okay, now this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Like, look at that cutie booty. Like, it's so cute. Cutie booty boo boo boo. I wonder if I should give it a nickname. What about Crossbun?
Crossbun?
Yeah.
You mean Cinnabon?
Yeah, or Cinnabon. Yeah, I think Cinnabon is a good name.
Mm.
And that's the end of our unboxing video of Cinnamaroll. Bye!